Here the question is to write any three differences between physisorption and chemisorption. Physisorption and chemisorption are two types of adsorption processes where molecules adhere to the solid surface. And the differences can be explained as per the given diagram. The first one is physisorption involves a weak van der Waals forces. They are not specific weak interaction that do not involve the sharing or transfer of electrons. Whereas in case of chemisorption, it involves the formation of strong chemical bonds between the adsorbate and the adsorbent surface. It often involving electron sharing or electron transfer. Coming to the energy involved in both the processes, physisorption has a low enthalpy of adsorption, usually ranging from 5 to 40 kJ per mole. This is because the forces involved are weak. While in terms of chemisorption, it has a higher enthalpy of adsorption, usually ranging from 40 to 400 kJ per mole. This is due to the formation of stronger chemical bonds. And the third one we can explain in terms of temperature dependence. Physisorption decreases with an increase in temperature. Higher temperature provide thermal energy that can overcome the weak van der Waals forces leading to the desorption. While chemisorption increases with an increase in temperature up to a certain point, as the higher temperature can provide the activation energy required for bond formation. Beyond this point, very high temperatures may cause desorption. You can write any three differences to achieve 3 marks.